Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the largest gland on the body, that is the liver. The liver consists of hepatocytes, which are called the basic structural component, and it also has the basic structural units. These are the liver lobules. Within each lobule, as you can see here in this slide, this is the lobule, this is the liver lobule, and this one too is a liver lobule. There are also the hepatocytes, as I just told you. These are the basic structural component. This one you can see here, hepatocytes. All these small cells are called hepatocytes. These ones, all these range are called hepatocytes. So, and this it has hexagonal prisms in a cross section. This is called, the lobule. This is actually the classic lobule. Within each lobule, hepatocytes are arranged into hepatic cords, one or two cells thick. The hepatic cords are radially disposed in the liver lobule. The cords of hepatocytes represent the parenchyma of the liver. The spaces between the cords contain sinusoidal capillaries. These are the liver sinusoids, aligned by a fenestrated endothelium, which you cannot see here in this slide because they're very, very, very small type of cells, and this slide is not that contains everything here, but it's just for explanational purposes, and it's just working good. At the corner of each lobule, there is the portal space, which are accompanied by the portal triad. The portal triad, as you can see here, it consists of three types of interlobular structures. These interlobular structures are called the interlobular vein. It's a branch of a portal vein, and the interlobular artery is the branch of the hepatic artery. There's also the interlobular bile duct. It is also a part of the bile duct system. And as we know here in this kind of cases, in interlobular vein, interlobular artery, and bile duct, bile always goes from the central vein that is located in the center of the classical lobule to the periphery, while blood goes from the periphery to the center, to the central vein. Because you know that the interlobular vein and interlobular artery are branches of the portal and hepatic artery, the portal vein and hepatic artery. So they bring blood to the liver, they go to the central vein, which goes and further makes the hepatic vein. So this is the portal triad, and there's also a very common concept of liver lobules. The classic liver lobules is as I said, is hexagonal in section. In the center of the liver lobule, there is the central vein, as I just said before, and at the corners of the lobule, there are the portal triads. The blood flow is directed from periphery to the center, and bile from the center to the periphery. So, as I just mentioned before. So, this is called the classical lobule. There's also the portal lobule. It comprises the adjoining parts of three classical lobules, as you can see here, here, and over here. This is the portal lobule, which has a triangular shape and has at the center the portal triad and the central vein at the tip of each of its angles. As you can see here, this is the central vein, this is a central vein, and this is the central vein as well. And as you can see here, the portal triad is in the center. It's just in the center. Yeah, this is called the portal lobule. And also there is the hepatic acinus. The hepatic acinus is situated in the adjacent areas of two hepatic lobules. The terminal branches of the portal vein, as you can see here, and this one, and the arterial branches at the bile ductual are in the center of the hepatic acinus, as you can see here in front of us here. The blood flow is directed from the center to periphery, and bile from periphery to the center. It's just vice versa, the classical lobule. So in this case, the bile goes from the periphery to the center, because we know that the bile always goes from the central vein to the periphery, which goes to the bile triad, and it will go and secrete into the bile, to the bile duct system. So right now, I think we've just talked about 3 types of lobules and the structural unit of the liver, as you can see here. I just told you. And also, there is very important type of cells. These are the sinus or the Kupffer cells or liver macrophages. But that is going to be in the sinusoidal lining cells. It's also like very types of cells that constitute the defense system of the liver. But that is going to be in a separate video. And I'll see you later in the next video. That is going to be the sinusoidal lining cells. All right, see you.